How to live stream phone screen on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. In the Play Store, download Streamlabs app. After it's downloaded, open the app and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find different options. Click on YouTube at the bottom, as you need to live stream YouTube. Then select your Google account and press on Continue at the bottom. After you have pressed on Continue at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen. At the bottom, click on Go Live. After you have clicked on Go Live, you'll find this option, Turn on YouTube at the top, and make sure Broadcast to is New Broadcast. Then press on Next at the bottom. After you have done that, you can add stream title, description if you want, YouTube privacy, which people can watch. Then also schedule if you want to schedule, and then select your frame rate, bit rate, and after you're done, press on Go Live at the bottom. After you do that, your screen will be shared. This is how to live stream phone screen on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.